Get into the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. Take a look at this striking Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, the stylish, surprisingly affordable automobile that gives you future-focused efficiency, spacious comfort, and a host of sought-after safety and infotainment features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Make the journey stylish and smart in this super efficient Elantra Hybrid. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.